Comparison of spring, conveyor, pusher, and lead screw slot. The spring slots, conveyor slots, pusher slots, and lead screw slots are optional for TC and vending machine according to the type of goods. Product placement of spring slots requirements. When placing the goods, the front end of the product should not be tilted outwards, which should be tilted backwards to prevent the goods from falling to and damaging the goods of lower slots, so as to avoid the products falling forward when they are shipped and directly relying on the glass door to cause sticking. For goods that are not easy to place and ship, conveyor slots can be used for placement and sale. Product placement requirements. All goods must be pressed on the conveyor and placed in the middle. For some irregular goods, if it is not convenient to place and ship goods by spring slots and conveyor slots, pusher slots can be used for. Lead screw slot. For some small goods which are inconvenient to place and ship on the spring conveyor pusher slots, the lead screw slots can be used for goods placement and sales.